This video is going to very briefly introduce NVivo Transcription. NVivo Transcription is a paid-for feature that will enable you to upload an audio or video file and process it to receive a textual transcript. In this case, I have Helen's interview, and we can see this is just an audio file. There's no transcript available. There's several ways that I can process this in NVivo Transcription, such as going to Create and then NVivo Transcription, but to make this quicker, I'm just going to right click and choose NVivo Transcription. It's going to load and log me into the website, and you can see here it's uploading the audio file that I've selected. Once it has uploaded, I have the option to choose the language that this is in. In this case, it's English. I can then click Transcribe. The transcription process should take about half of the length of the audio. So in this case, this is 2 minutes 42 seconds long, so I should expect this file back in about 1.5 minutes. Once the transcription process is complete, you'll see I get the option to review. This is important because I cannot import until I've clicked Review Transcript. This will open up the NVivo website. Here I need to log in, and then it will show the transcript. Here I've got the option to type in the speaker names, and also to play this audio file and check for any issues.
What would be your vision for the communities and the people down east, and also what would be your vision for the land and the landscape down east, or the environment generally, land and water?
I'd need to correct any mistakes that I see at this point, and then save. I should note it will save regularly along the way, but it's always good to just press that to make sure. You can adjust the playback speed down here as well. When you're happy with this transcript, you can return to NVivo and click Import. You'll see very quickly that that transcript is brought into your NVivo file. I should note before ending this video that it's really important to clear your use of NVivo Transcription with any ethics committee or regulatory body that you are working with. NVivo Transcription uses cloud processing, so it's really important that you're clear on what this means and that anyone or anybody you're working with understands that this is a way in which you're processing your data. Your ethics committee should be able to advise you further, and there is plenty of information on the NVivo website about the technical assurances in place.